Excuse me, wake up please. Welcome to the last province belong to Vietnam. It's called Lao Cai City. Just few more kilometers you can see the China on the side. But later we want to have lunch first and we will go up again. We will spend 1 more hours to Sapa.
Oh,
So here
Hindi
not
pa
Sapa
pala.
yet, yeah? Sapa higher on the
hindi pa
mountain.
pala. Dallas City.
Gusto ko munang mag-CR ako sa hotel na para maka-upo ng 30 minutes lang. Hindi, doon ako magpupo.
Sasaksakan na naman natin
Ako
ng
din.
pagkain eh.
Snack. CR.
Ayun, ang daming ano. Paninda sa daan. Sorry ah.
Sangkalan. Kahit pa ibinisinay ng bilawat sangkalan.
Yun oh.
Inhaler nga pala nila.
Oh, thanks speaker. Ayun oh. Ukay-ukay.
Yung GP Bank.
So they have free of charge, right?
Yeah. So I'm looking for it. ATM machine.
BP Bank, the TP Bank, free of charge.
Saigon. Ang dami ng ano. Ponchansya.
Chống nổi, chống đẹp thật. Em về nhà mình đang quậy.
Canopy.
Yeah, so many flowers, huh? It's on decoration for New Year. Okay, we're here to have a lunch here.
Kain na magbawas. Kain na hindi pa na po.
Hello, madam.
Hindi na magbawas.